The next topic of Chapter 7, Internet Services, is popular services on the Internet. There are many facilities available on the Internet which make our lives better. Some of the widely used Internet services are video conferencing, chatting, Internet free calls. Video conferencing. A video conference is a communication that involves exchanging of audio and video at the same time between people sitting at geographically different locations. The participants can view each other on their monitors as well as hear voice over speakers of their laptops or desktop computers. It involves the use of camera known as webcam as well as microphone at the end of each participant to capture video and audio data in real time. This technology is mainly used for virtual meetings among a group of people. Popular video conferencing apps include Skype, Google Meet, Zoom, Adobe Connect, and so on. Chatting. A chat is a text-based communication between one or more users in which messages are exchanged back and forth in real time through a chat software. Chat is also known as online chat or internet chat. You can also interact through voice and video chats. You can chat through instant messenger, a chat room, a chat website, etc. You have to register yourself for this type of chat. Examples: WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Yahoo Messenger, and so on. Internet free calls. You can also make free voice and video calls to anyone across the world. You can make free calls at much lower rates to anyone and anywhere in the world. The only condition is that at both ends the same software or application should be installed. After installation, you need to create an account on it. Examples: Skype, Viber, Fling, Google Hangouts, and so on. So here I have finished this topic. In my next topic, I will teach you one more internet service, that is email. Thank you, children.